Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Plus Shaker. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, splash guards, lightly tinted glass, keyless entry, and much more. 20-inch aluminum wheels, performance tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 8-cylinder HEMI with only 6,445 miles. Key fob trunk release, the dual exhaust, LED brake lights, a shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power leather seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a push button start, a valet function, a power leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth, SiriusXM and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.